someone turns from offered care, advice is met with guarded pride, and wisdom stands there pushed aside. The path begins to twist and break, stubborn steps refuse to wait, yet change is calling from within, inviting growth to now begin. Resistance keeps the heart confined and clouds the clarity we find, but openness can clear the way and guide the spirit day by day. Misfortune fades when we allow new insight to reshape the now. Becomes a weight we can't resist when fear of change becomes a wall. Progress stumbles, starts to fall, but listening brings gentle light, a chance to shift and choose what's right. Adaptation leads us through toward outcomes shaped with something true. Resistance keeps the heart confined and clouds the clarity we find, but openness can clear the way and guide the spirit day by day. Misfortune fades when we allow new insight to reshape the now. Change begins when we are willing to hear.